Hi, my name is Servaas de Kok and I'm the Group CEO of Group Editors Company.
On the 28th of September, we're celebrating World News Day.
At Group Editors, we believe in editorial independence and would like to thank all the journalists out there who's making sure that the truth is being told on a daily basis. It's important to remain credible in today's age. So let's keep pushing and make a difference.